Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Here we've got the fingerprint unlock, so simply tap on it, and right now we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint, and it is to set an additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern, pin or password. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use, but be sure that you will remember this screen lock, because this is the second way to unlock your device. For some reason, if the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to enter your device to unlock it, because if you will not be able to do that, then the only way to unlock it is to go through hard reset operation, and this operation will totally wipe all your data, remove all your photos and so on and so on. So and it is irreversible, so make sure that you will remember it, and all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick the pattern. So here we've got also the info that you have to remember your password. Actually, this is what I've just set, so let's tap on got it. And now we have to draw the pattern. Here we have to redraw it and confirm. Now we have to add our fingerprint, and here we've got about in-screen fingerprint sensor. So here we've got the info that if you're wearing the screen protectant, then it may cause some problems with the fingerprint sensor. So let's tap on got it, and let's put our finger on the fingerprint scanner. And now, as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see, we just done adding our fingerprint to this device, so let's tap on done. And here we've got our fingerprint, and here we've got actually the fingerprint settings. So here we've got actually quite a lot of them. Firstly, here we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, we can rename it if you want, or remove the fingerprint. It is quite a good option to rename your fingerprint if you have a lot of them added, so you will be able to check them. What's more, here we've got the section to use fingerprints for, and here we can decide if you'd like to use it as a privacy password, app lock, shortcuts, or fingerprint payments. Of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to set, which option you'd like to apply. It's really up to you. What's more, here we've got some, let's say, customization option. We've got the fingerprint animation, so we can freely tap on it, and here you've got some options from which we can choose. All you have to do is just tap on the one you'd like to set and leave it and just go back. However, I can, oh yeah, here, okay, here we've got the back button. Under it we've got show fingerprint icon when the screen is off, so of course it's also up to you if you'd like to show this icon, so you can turn it off like that and turn it on. So actually this is the whole customization, so let me check if it is working. Let's lock our device, and here we've got the fingerprint sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, you will also be able to unlock your device with a pattern, obviously. Just lock our device, and by swiping, you can see that here we have to use the password. So let me enter it, and the same situation, it is unblocked. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.